The United States Congress has embarked on a mission to uncover the truth behind some of the nation's most enduring mysteries. A new House task force led by Representative Paulina Luna aims to declassify federal secrets. This signifies a commitment to transparency and restoring public trust. Known as the Task Force on the Declassification of Federal Secrets, it operates under the House Oversight Committee. Its creation stems from a demand for openness and access to information. Representative Luna, a staunch advocate for transparency, vows to leave no stone unturned. Her background as a military veteran makes her a formidable force. This task force could be a turning point in American history. The pursuit of truth is paramount, with far-reaching implications. The task force has outlined an ambitious agenda, focusing on several high-profile cases that have captivated the public's imagination. At the forefront is the assassination of President John F. Kennedy. The task force aims to declassify all remaining documents related to the event. Another focus is the case of Jeffrey Epstein, the disgraced financier. They seek to uncover the full extent of Epstein's crimes and his client list. The task force will also investigate the origins of the COVID-19 pandemic. Their mandate includes 9/11 and unidentified aerial phenomena. By examining these cases, the task force hopes to provide clarity and closure to events that have shaped history. The task force's success hinges on the cooperation of various federal agencies, including the Department of Justice, the FBI, and the CIA. Representative Luna has emphasized the importance of interagency collaboration in obtaining the necessary documents and information. To facilitate this process, the task force has sent letters to relevant agencies, requesting their full cooperation. Former President Donald Trump, known for his support of transparency initiatives, signed an executive order in early 2025, mandating the declassification of JFK assassination records. This executive order provided a significant boost to the task force's efforts, paving the way for the release of previously withheld information. The task force's commitment to transparency extends beyond government agencies. They have also pledged to protect whistleblowers who come forward with information relevant to their investigations. This protection is crucial in encouraging individuals with inside knowledge to share what they know without fear of retaliation. The combination of interagency cooperation, executive action, and whistleblower protection creates a powerful force for transparency. By leveraging these resources, the task force aims to overcome any obstacles in their pursuit of the truth. The task force's mission extends beyond simply uncovering secrets. It's about restoring public trust in government. For too long, the American people have felt disconnected from their elected officials, sensing a lack of transparency and accountability. This task force represents a potential turning point, a chance to bridge that gap and rebuild trust. Openness and honesty are essential for a healthy democracy. When the government operates in secrecy, it breeds suspicion and distrust. By shining a light on previously hidden information, this task force aims to foster a more open and accountable government. The task force's findings could have far-reaching implications, potentially challenging long-held beliefs and rewriting history as we know it. Regardless of the outcome, the pursuit of truth is a noble endeavor, one that deserves the support of all Americans. The legacy of this task force will be measured not only by the secrets it uncovers, but also by the trust it restores. By prioritizing transparency and accountability, this task force has the potential to leave a lasting impact on the relationship between the American people and their government.